Imagine a timepiece that combines elegance, durability, and precision in one perfect package. Introducing the Tissot Seastar 1000 Powermatic 80/40 mm, a watch designed for those who appreciate both style and performance. Whether you're a diver, an adventurer, or simply someone who values fine craftsmanship, this watch is built to impress. At first glance, the 40 mm stainless steel case with black PVD coating gives off a bold and sophisticated look. The gradient dial, fading from gray to black, adds a sense of depth and mystery, making it a standout piece on any wrist. The unidirectional rotating bezel with a ceramic ring ensures durability and helps divers measure elapsed time with ease. A true diver's watch, the Seastar 1000 is water-resistant up to 300 meters, 1,000 feet. Whether you're swimming, snorkeling, or diving into the deep blue sea, this watch can handle the pressure. The sapphire crystal with an anti-reflective coating ensures your watch face stays crystal clear, no matter the lighting conditions. Inside, the Swiss Automatic Powermatic 80 movement keeps this watch ticking with remarkable efficiency. With an 80-hour power reserve, you can set it aside for an entire weekend and still find it running smoothly when you pick it up. The Nivacron Balance Spring enhances resistance to magnetic fields and shocks, ensuring your watch remains precise in any environment. Timekeeping should be effortless, day or night. That's why the Seastar 1000 features Super-LumiNova coating on its hands and hour markers, allowing for clear visibility in the dark. The stainless steel bracelet with black PVD coating provides a secure and comfortable fit. And thanks to the quick-release interchangeable system, you can easily switch straps to match your style. The Tissot Seastar 1000 Powermatic 80 is not just a watch, it's a statement. It speaks of confidence, adventure, and an appreciation for fine craftsmanship. Whether you're heading into the ocean's depths or simply navigating your daily life, this timepiece ensures you do it in style. If you're looking for a watch that delivers exceptional performance, bold design, and Swiss precision, look no further. The Tissot Seastar 1000 Powermatic 80/40 mm is ready to accompany you on every adventure. Discover it today and experience timekeeping like never before.